These renovations, this whole project was done with the local community in mind. The most challenging part of this whole process was having our doors closed. We thrive on connecting people to the wonders of the natural world. To not be able to connect with people and create that spark about the wonders of the natural world was difficult. We had the luxury of being open for a year, and we really watched with an intentful eye how they utilized the existing building. And we created repertoires with people that came in and relationships, and we had open dialogue about what they wanted out of a nature center. And then we drew from that when we created this big strategic plan. It's iconic, the big, huge tree in the lobby and our lovely animals that everyone loves. The neatest part of that is taking that existing framework and being able to massage and integrate brand new, beautiful, state-of-the-art, very thematic exhibits. We're called Hidden Oaks Nature Center, right? So it only made sense for us to focus on oaks. They're such an important keystone species. So many things depend on them.
I hope that we're able to bring our brand of nature education to a very populated area. With this facility, we had the bones to work with, both in the spaces inside the facility and the spaces outside the facility. We had some exterior spaces that we could renovate and expand, and also on the inside, one of the things that we had to do, because we're not in the preschool business, was we had to convert some of the traditional classroom spaces to exhibit spaces, and I think we did that rather well. Now, when folks come into this new or renovated facility, what they're going to see is all new exhibits. When we acquired Hidden Oaks, there was only one space and all the exhibits were jammed into that. By spreading out and adding some more square footage, we can expand the message, but we can also simplify the space so that not everybody's on top of each other and you can move through the building now. It's something that we really pride ourselves on, in getting people engaged inside in the exhibits themselves, but also encouraging them to go outside. So there's exhibits here that you get an introduction to something here in the space, and then our staff will encourage you to go outside and explore and take the information you learned here inside and apply it outside.
I hope that when we open, that we knock the socks off of everyone that comes in. And I hope that they're so proud and impressed that they tell every single person that they know